You're gonna be shocked at how many calories, protein, fat, and carbohydrates this 10-day diet actually recommends. Trust me, it's crazy. On today's episode of LiveLeanTV, I've been asked, what is the Master Cleanse diet, aka the lemonade diet, the maple syrup diet, as well as the Cayenne Pepper diet. Now this is a Throwback Thursday post from our TBT Q&A series. So I share my answer from 2012, then I answer the same question 7 years later to see if my answer still remains the same. But before we get to my answer from 2012, let's just quickly talk about what is the Master Cleanse diet if you're not aware of it. Is it good for weight loss? Detoxifying your body? What are the benefits? Let's get into it. So the Master Cleanse diet is essentially a 10-day juice fast that only uses 3 foods. Now, this diet is often marketed as a quick fix to lose weight fast while also detoxifying your body and just giving your digestive system time to rest and recover. But at the end of this video, guys, I'm gonna share the ingredients that are used in the Master Cleanse diet recipe, how to make the Master Cleanse diet recipe, and the calories and the macronutrients from just one serving of the drink. And trust me, it's crazy, so keep watching. But first, let me share my thoughts from 2012. Brad, can you tell us about the Master Cleanse detox diet? Yes, the Master Cleanse detox diet. What do you want me to say about this? A 10-day diet where you don't eat any food, you just drink liquids, and it's supposed to detox your body, and it may well detox your body. But my thing with it is, it's not a lifestyle, and you know this channel is all about living the lean lifestyle. You cannot maintain this diet for past 10 days. It's just not healthy. And I was reading some case studies from people that did it. Some of them have lost weight. Beyonce Knowles, the celebrity, did the 10-day detox diet, lost a bunch of weight for her role in Dreamgirls, I think is what it was. But these people put the weight back on right afterwards because you can't maintain this, obviously. And they also mentioned they lost muscle mass, they didn't have any energy. So I would say don't do this. Stick with real whole foods and move your bodies. That's the simple message. There's no quick fix. Move your bodies, eat real food. All right, here is my answer 7 years later today. Guys, of course, I still agree with my answer from 2012. However, I noticed that when I did answer it, I primarily answered it from a dietary lifestyle perspective. So in other words, I answered it as if the question was, is the Master Cleanse diet a sustainable diet? So the answer to this is, of course, it's not. But I also understand it's not intended to be that, as it is a short-term 10-day detox. So with that said, let's actually take a deeper look at the Master Cleanse diet and how it works. So the 3 ingredients used in the Master Cleanse diet are lemon juice, cayenne pepper, and maple syrup. So here's how you make the Master Cleanse diet recipe. In a glass, you mix the following ingredients: 8 ounces of water, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1/16 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Let's see how it tastes. Actually tastes good, but it's probably because there's 2 tablespoons of sugar in there, and it's a nice balance with the lemon.
Don't say sugar, it's maple syrup, crazy.
Maple syrup breaks down to sugar, let's be real.
Yeah, but it's different than sugar.
And then the cayenne pepper gives it a nice kick, so it actually tastes good, but would I be satisfied drinking 6 of these? 6 to 15 or whatever of these a day?
And no food?
Yeah.
Get out of town.
Now here's the nutritional information per serving. Calories, 112. Protein, 0. Carbohydrates, 28 grams. And fat, 0. Now the recommended servings of this Master Cleanse diet drink are 6 to 18 glasses per day or whenever you're hungry. So here's the total calorie breakdown if you drink just the minimum of 6 glasses daily. You'd be taking in a total of 672 daily calories, 0 grams of protein, 168 grams of carbohydrates, and 0 grams of fat. So let's just put this into perspective. For 10 straight days, you could be consuming less than 700 calories with 100% of those calories coming from
Sugar. So of course, if you follow an extremely low 700 calorie diet like this, you're going to lose weight, but some of that weight is going to be comprised of muscle, thus potentially slowing down your metabolism in the process. Plus, the two essential nutrients for your body to optimally function and thrive are protein and fat. And yet you are consuming 0 grams of protein and 0 grams of fat for 10 straight days. So if you can't tell from my energy, the question is, do you think I will recommend the Master Cleanse diet? The answer is probably pretty obvious. I just always have a hard time getting behind these extreme diets because when you're living lean, they are unnecessary. Fad diets, they're unnecessary. So besides the side effects of potentially losing muscle and dealing with the highly likely cases of explosive diarrhea, you're also gonna struggle with living a normal life during those 10 days. And that's the difference with living lean. Living lean is all about lifestyle. And that's what makes these short-term quick fixes unnecessary, especially if you go back to your bad habits after the 10-day Master Cleanse diet is over. This puts you at a high risk to do what most people do after quick fix diets. They gain all the weight back and they end up potentially worse off than they were before. And this is because your metabolism may slow down from losing your calorie burning muscle. So look at it this way. Extreme diets are similar to getting liposuction. So you may get results in the short term, but this shortcut doesn't teach you how to sustain the results. Now, again, compare that to living lean. We teach you how to incorporate sustainable nutrition and exercise habits into your daily lifestyle so you don't need these extreme quick fixes. Just like with muscle, with repetition and consistency, these behaviors, they get stronger and they eventually turn into habits. Now, this is what creates the Live Lean lifestyle, habits. So guys, I encourage you, if you're ready to learn how to live lean with us and thousands of other people just like you, go join our team at Team Live Lean. We have a great community over there and let's get you started on the right path. I'll put a link to join our team in the video description below. And today's question of the day is, have you ever tried the Master Cleanse diet or know anyone that did? And were the results sustainable? Comment down below, guys, and if you enjoyed this video, do me a huge favor and smash that like button and click the subscribe button to see more videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching and keep living lean.